Right fellas, I'm down Paul Livefoot Racing. If you've seen any of my videos before, you'll have seen I come down Paul's quite a lot. He's got some amazing cars. You sell cars for people as well, mate. You've got a beautiful workshop full of amazing stuff. Something we've never really done on video is Paul's, you called it, what we call it, Paul? You mentioned junkyard. Full of Sierras basically. So we're going to have a look around, see what he's got, because I always come to this bit anyway for a look. So what's this? Is this a Cosworth shell, mate?
We'll start with that one over there. That's a genuine Cosworth shell.
That is?
Yeah, and it's fairly good shell really, to be fair. You can see it's got sunroof and that in it. Wings are a bit scabby and that, but it's a solid shell.
Is it a road car shell?
Yeah, it is, yeah. It's a genuine Cosy road car shell. So that's sat there really to be a race car.
So you're going to turn that into a race car?
Yeah, if we need it, yeah. So what we'll do, we'll get it sandblasted or dipped, put new wings on it, put a roof skin on it without a sunroof, but it's solid. You can see it's chassis. It's been sat outside maybe 5 years, so it's got surface rust on it, but it is a very, very solid, straight old shell. So
it's got an old Hoover there in the engine bay.
Yeah, that's if we need to vac it out every now and again, you know. Yeah, so it's just, like I say, a spare shell really. If we need one, we've got one. The one next to it, that's quite an important car, that, and I bought this years ago and I've been intending on restoring this for donkey's years, but I just don't get around to it. It will open that if you lift it, but it's been
down for a while.
It's been down for a while, hasn't it?
Can't lift it, will it lift?
Yeah, go on, just give it a ride, man. What's up with you, big girl? Now this is a 1.6L shell.
Right.
It's the original Jerry Marnie Arquati promotion car, so you can see stripes on it there.
Down the side?
Let me go around to the other side. So this was a genuine promo car. A lot of race teams had promo cars.
Well, you had a Dick Johnson one, didn't you?
Yeah, I've still got it. Well, that's the, you can see there, Arquati. So I bought this and I spoke to Jerry Marnie and he said, oh, it'd be nice to see it finished. So I was going to build this back up as a show car.
So have you got any plans to start it?
No.
No.
I should have started it years ago, but you know, it's got an aluminium roll cage in it, which obviously you can't race it out, but I will do it one day before I retire when I'm about 86.
Would you just build it back to the promo car?
Oh yeah, 100%, but I might put a Cosy engine in it.
So what would have been originally, like a Pinto or something?
Yeah, just had a 1.6 Pinto. I'll shut bonnet, eh?
The hinge is loose?
I know. Well, you haven't shut it, have you?
I've pulled it down the front, it's just the hinge.
Useless.
Need a bolt in it?
Because I think bonnet's knackered anyway, isn't it?
Ah, it's a bit rotten.
Look what you've done. There we are.
Oh God.
Yeah, so that'll, like bonnet's wrong, but it's got proper vents. And this is another, believe it or not, again been sat for years, but this is a good shell. A really, really good shell. It's solid. Look at wheel arches and that on it. It's absolutely rock solid. So this is going to be another race car. Again, surface rust and been used as a bit of a skip. But we're going to get this out in the next couple of weeks.
Are you going to start on this?
Yeah, I'm going to start on this. Get it dipped. And that's actually a earmark for a customer, is that.
So is this a Cosworth shell?
Yes.
Right, so it's got to put a gearbox on it.
It's a motorsport shell.
Right, so it's got the, because you're saying that's not a Cosworth shell.
No, that's a 1.
You can't change the tunnels in them, can you?
Yeah, you can. That's a 1.6L shell, that one.
Because if you look under here, the gearbox tunnel there is a bit narrower.
Yeah, that's right. It's short. It's smaller. Yeah.
But this is a Cosworth one's a lot wider.
Shell, a right-hand drive one. So that's going to be a race car.
Then if we go up here,
you can tell these haven't been parked here that long, can't you?
Do you know what it is? I always look at this blue one and I love that the back wheel on it.
Do you?
I love that alloy wheel.
Well, this is obviously a left-hand drive car that came over from Europe.
Obviously not a Cosworth.
No, it's a standard base model shell. It had a bit of a whack at front at some point. Somebody's pulled it in a wing straight, but it's the original outer wing on it. So obviously this will be a race car because this shell is absolutely
rock solid.
It's absolutely mint. Not a bit of rust on it anyway, so we'll repair that in a wing, put a new outer wing on it, repair that. But you know, look around it, look at round turrets, is mint.
Because they go around the turrets, don't they, on the wing bit?
Doors are absolutely mint, arches are mint, it's covered in moss like and that now. A few bumpers and that stuffed inside it. But
bit of storage.
yeah, but the shell is absolutely rock solid.
So where's this from, did you say?
I bought it from a guy that was bringing them in from Europe. He was going over buying complete cars in Europe and bringing them over, and I bought these two off him. Look at them, the mouldings that everybody's after.
Aye.
And the mint. I need to drag them out and get them pressure washed off, don't I?
Cool though.
Yeah, they are. Well, and this one's same, another 1
Another
point.
mint shell.
1 point. Oh, it's a laser. This look.
Oh, it's got the badge on there.
Oh yeah, because it's got chrome trim. But this has been here the same amount of time as that. But again, absolutely rock solid.
Look at the cobwebs. That's mad.
I just need to get them out. Look.
Aye, mate, it's just projects, isn't it? It's just.
They don't actually do any harm here. They get quite well protected, but I need to get them out and get them washed off because they actually clean up mint. But before I put them here, I steam cleaned them all off and they look mint. But they've all got the twin headlights, so there's.
Oh right,
I buy these cars, you see. I'll tell you for why, because it's things like the scuttle panels you can't get when you're building the race cars, the door handles, the door mechanisms, everything like all the door seals, the check straps. You can't get them.
No.
If you buy a bare shell.
So that's just the same as the Cosworth one, isn't
Exactly
it? But obviously,
the same, yeah.
They're just good money. Even that end bit there.
Oh.
Would they fetch 100 quid,
Yeah,
150 quid?
Yeah,
just for the corner, that little part there.
And what I do like, this has got electric windows, which is a shame. I actually like them when they come with windy windows because we put windy windows in race cars. So I think this has got windy windows. Yeah, it has.
Aye.
So that's a bonus. So it's all the little bits and pieces. Like look at them outer trims there.
Aye, it's mint, isn't it?
That's same as a Cosy, aren't they? And you can't get them. It's got the Carlos Fandango super wide wheels on it.
It's a more around the back.
No,
Sorry.
that's them all. But yeah, back window got smashed, so we put a bit of tin in it to stop water getting in.
They are good shells though.
They're absolutely mint.
They are, aren't they? Like you see, just a bit of a clean.
Yeah. Steam cleaned off, they look absolutely mint.
Aye.
Just like all their look where they rot. They're just mint.
Aye, it is mint. God, it is absolutely stone mint as well, isn't it?
Look at wheel arches on that one. They look rusty because that's green mould, but
green.
They're absolutely
Rock solid.
It's a shame we cack them to bits like when they make race cars out of them, but
Mate, it would make a nice, even like with them wheels on, a standard basic Sierra like this, lowered on a set of them wheels, I think would look alright.
a big fat V8 with a supercharger in it or something.
Cosy engine with a big T4 on.
Yeah, just look. Well, I was going to build one, to be honest.
Is that like a hydraulic clutch kit or something on there?
It must be, yeah. But I thought about that with this. I thought about, do I build one of these? And what I was thinking of doing is putting every single thing Group A on it. Put all the Eggenberger Group A suspension on it. Sensor locks on it.
Aye.
But make it look
Bobby
totally
basic.
standard. Don't even put a vented bonnet on it or anything. Put a side exhaust on, but put a pea-shooter exhaust coming out at back.
Aye.
And basically build a full-blown Group A car in a standard shell.
That would be mint.
With
That would be
standard
mint.
1.6 seats and that in it.
Aye.
And just drive it around like an absolute lunatic.
Two-wheel drive.
Catch you. Well, imagine on back roads and that.
Aye.
People can't, how can I not catch that Sierra?
Aye.
Because it handles mint.
That's it, fellas. Thanks for watching yet again. Thanks to Paul for showing us around
The Concourse collection.
the cream of the crop. If you want to see more Paul's videos and see what he's actually like his proper cars, I'll leave some videos below. Check them out. But yet again, mate, thanks for taking the time out of your day.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And I'll leave Paul's links below, fellas. But yet again, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.